Hi everyone. Let's talk about unanswered prayers. Have you ever encountered a prayer not being answered? And have you ever thought about it? Well, Bible says all things happen for the people who love God and called according to his purpose. So when you encounter a traumatic experience or when you encounter a situation where your thoughts and the situation is completely unacceptable for you, then realize this: God is still in control, and God can turn any situation around if you really pray out. And more importantly, you need to kept on saying these verses, two verses that will help you to overcome the situation, any of the situation that you're going through right now. If you are heartbroken, this is for you. Verse number 1, Bible says, Romans 8:28, all things happen for the good for the people who love God and called according to his purpose. Verse number 2, for my ways are not your ways, my thoughts are not your thoughts. For heaven is higher than the earth, my ways are higher than your ways, and my thoughts are higher than your thoughts. This is all about God. So when you go through a situation, a difficult situation, stop down. If you want to cry, yes, cry. But at the end of the day, just realize God is still in control. He's still in the throne, having all things in hold. More importantly, his thoughts are not our thoughts. He is God and you're human. You and me are human, and we don't know what's happening around us, and we don't know what's going to happen in the future. So when things are going in a way that you have no control over things, trust the one who has control over the things. Trust your God, trust Jesus, who has control over all the things that have happened, all the things that are going to happen. Trust him even more. When life throws at you things that don't want it to happen, when life throws stones at you, you better carry them to God and create those stones as magical prayers that being answered. Give time to God to break through your prayers. May God bless you abundantly. Whatever you're going through today, whatever you're going to face tomorrow, trust God, trust his timing. There is a timing for everything, and he's still in control. Amen.